How are you guys?
Outside
Let me hope
countries.
everyone is fine.
This
This is cocoa,
We out.
whereby
Outside countries.
the most loved and
That farm behind me, all the crops.
a good seed where you can find it on the market. But this thing is just in the western side of Uganda, guys. Let us show you. We are going to show you how it's planted and how it grows for you. Some of you don't know it. Some of you eat cocoa, but you don't know it.
50 acres.
So let us show you how it looks like. Those are the cocoa trees.
This is good stuff.
Those cocoa trees, they look like that. The cocoa pods, the cocoa seeds which are inside. You can see them.
Let's go.
See them, oh, see them.
Some cocoa pods here.
See, you can see them.
Outside countries.
You see how they look like? You can see how they look like. They're in the western sides of Uganda, where you find them in Fort Portal, Budibujo, the best cocoa producers in Uganda. So guys, if you want to make a good market with cocoa, just come to Uganda. Just come to Uganda, guys. Just come to Uganda. You understand? You can see how they look like. The cocoa pods. Inside there's some beans which are sweet, and the ones which you remove just into that white stuff, then the beans are the ones which make.
Agenda possible for now. Naye engembera yeyo in Fort Portal tukwataganya kulima. Ekitegeera. Kulima laba.